Hey, T-Dog, come here.
Somebody left the
Mr.
cat.
Mark.
How you doing, buddy? Just had a picture here. Nice fish. Catch a good one here, too.
Yeah. Hey, you're on video. Look, say hi. Welcome to the jungle.
Take some at 4 in the morning.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't have anything to do, just sorry.
I think he just wants that.
I don't think he's met a stranger before.
No.
You just stand up in the doorway.
Obviously, they don't get a lot of
So you show your buddies.
Here they got to fix it. It was active last year.
Hey, T, stand in the door so I can get a picture of you.
Well, I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler about working all summer just to try and earn a dollar. Every time I call my baby to try to get a date, my boss says, no dice, son, you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Well, my mom and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money. If you wanna use a car to go riding next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work, told the boss I was sick. Now you can't use a car cause you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
Who's gonna be the first? All right, so I already got the biggest one. Let me see if I can get the first one.
No, they still don't.
Whoa, that's a big one. Keep it up, keep it up. I told you. You better keep it up. Oh my gosh. Big old catfish. Can you help?
Yeah.
Hold on. Let him run a little. You got a river monster. Oh, sorry, T-Dog.
Devagar pra não cair.
Came off.
No, like look.
No.
Look at it. Spooled. That's what you learned today.
It feels like a big salmon.
Oh, it looks like a good one.
They're coming. Is that don't count me?
That's a yellow. You beat him on the head.
Ele um passinho pra trás.
Oh, that's a pretty one, too.
Open. 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 Got him. I won't.
I gotta pee. Jump! Go, I'm right here. I think they've been in the Amazon. He gets scared till he gets messed with, and then he's like, yeah, water at the pool. Warm was not cold. You got in? Stand up.
No trouble.
How far?
Oh, no, like not that far, not that far.
Like this far?
Alright, Dad, let's go.
Oh, buddy. Keep that rod tip high.
Enjoy the fish.
Oh, keep him low. Keep him low.
Cá, cá, cá. Presta cá. Pô, manda lá.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah.
T-Dog. Put your shades on, homie.
I'm ready to get my hands slimy.
Less icy?
Mug's just around the corner. It's right around the corner, like right around here.
In the light, in the light, in the light. Come
All
on.
the street signs. I mean, you don't have to see the material, but... ain't that much.